Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making pistachio nougat. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the pistachio nougat. You will need 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of pistachios, 2 egg whites, 1 packet of vanilla sugar, which is 5 grams, 2 tablespoons of glucose syrup, and some cornstarch. And this is how your pistachio nuggets should look like. They should be soft and chewy, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!